Tired of deleting DNS records one by one in Cloudflare? Here's how to bulk delete all of them in under 30 seconds. We'll log into Cloudflare, select your domain, and use the bulk delete feature to remove all records at once. So let's jump in. Start by logging into your Cloudflare Dashboard. This is the main screen where you see your list of domains. Go ahead and sign in like you normally would. Now, click on the domain you want to work on. You'll see all your sites listed on the main dashboard. Just look for the one you need and give it a click. This takes you into that domain's settings. On the left side panel, you'll see a menu. Click on DNS. This is where all your domain records live. And here's the thing. I've spent way too much time in this section over the years, clicking around. That's exactly why this trick is so useful. Then click on DNS records. This brings up the full list of every A record, CNAME, MX record, and everything else currently set up for your domain. You might see a big list here, especially if your site has been running for a while. Now, here's where the magic happens. Check the box next to each record you want to delete. You can select multiple records at once. If you want to clear everything out, just check the box at the top of the list. That selects all of them in one go. It's way faster than clicking each one individually, which is exactly what I used to do before figuring this out. Once you've selected your records, look at the top right corner. You'll see a button that says Delete Records, and it shows the number you have selected. Click that button. A confirmation dialog will pop up. This is Cloudflare making sure you really want to do this. You'll need to type the word delete in all caps to confirm. Go ahead and type that out. Finally, click the delete button. And just like that, all those records are gone. It only takes a second. From start to finish, we just wiped out every DNS record in under half a minute. And that's it. You've gone from deleting records one painful click at a time to clearing them all out in a few seconds. A huge time saver whenever you need to start fresh with a domain. Thanks for watching.